Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to prevent kids from downloading games from your Play Store. So you can prevent it from one way, which is launching a Play Store. In here, select your initial, scroll all the way below, and then select Settings. Under Settings, expand Family, then select Parental Controls. So first of all, you're going to have to toggle this on. And now on this page, you will see Apps and Games and Books. So set the pen for Apps and Games. So tap on Apps and Games. So if I tap open this option, the screen will be black due to security purposes. But this is where, or that is where the page where you actually create yourself a pin, which your kids should not know about. Create your pin, which could be 4 or 6 digit. And if you would like, you can do the same for maybe your books as well. And likewise, each and every time kids try to maybe download a game, they will be required to enter a PIN. And likewise guys, this is how you can prevent. Thank you for watching.